This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Bethany White. Welcome home. This spacious home sits on over 4 acres of land amidst the backdrop of picturesque agricultural fields. Walking into the front door, you are instantly welcomed by the soaring cathedral ceilings in the foyer. Open downstairs floor plan includes soft close cabinets, granite countertops, 2-piece crown molding, recessed lighting, premium LVT flooring, and stainless steel appliances. Enjoy the convenience of a downstairs laundry room, no toting loads up the stairs. Gather the family together for a movie night in the upstairs media room, or enjoy quiet time in the big open bedrooms. Master ensuite features a luxurious double vanity sink, huge soaking tub, and attached walk-in closet. Come enjoy Suffolk living at its finest.